Brinley, come on. Look, we're gonna put the tire on. Look, you wanna help me? Come on, there's no styling. Come here.
Here, you hold this. Hold it. You help Daddy.
Come here, Brinley. Okay, here, you wanna hold this? Okay, ready? You're gonna put them on there. I'm gonna put the wheel on there and you put the tire on. Put the nut on, okay? Okay, ready?
It's okay. Mommy, hold it. You hold this one? Okay, good job.
It's scary.
Okay.
I don't want to hold the tire.
Okay, here you go.
There.
There we go. Put it on this one, Brinley. Put it on this one.
Good job, honey.
Here. Other way. There
Good
we go.
girl.
Pretty close.
Good job.
That's me.
You did a
Here.
good job.
Try again. You gotta turn it righty tighty. Righty tighty.
What's that going?
That's the love nut.
Welcome.
Love nut. Here, put it on right there.
Oh, okay.
Here, flip it around.
Oh, no.
Flip it. Take it off. Flip it. There we go.
There
Now
you
do
go.
it.
Put it on.
Okay.
Turn it. You gotta hold this. There we go. Other way. There we go. Turn. Now go this way and then go turn. There we go.
Good job.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay. Turn. There we go. Other way. There we go. Keep going, keep going.
Or
Keep going, it's getting tight.
no.
Oh, that's good. Pretty close. Gotta turn it the other way, Brinley, to tighten it. There we go. Keep going, keep going. There we go, like that. Now you're getting it.
You hold this for me.
Are you all done? Do you want mommy to do it?
My door.
Okay. Good job.
Okay, it's getting pretty good. Pretty tight?
Yeah.
Okay, now we gotta do this one.
This one. Okay.
Good
Okay.
girl.
Okay. Ooh.
Okay, let's see if you can do it on your own. There you go.
Good job.
Oh, pretty close. Try again.
Oh,
Here, it's okay. You got it.
I need this lid.
You want to
Take a seat.
Here, spin it around. Round and around.
There, you got it. Just don't whack yourself.
It's tight.
It's got to be a little bit tighter. Do you want to use the drill?
Drill.
You getting mama?
Hi, baby.
Maybe you guys could do the front tire.
Here's Daddy.
Hi. You want to give a tour of the shop?
Daddy, honey.
Got it?
Ruin your footage.
Let's see if it fits.
That. Oh, that. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Now we need it to the left. Whoa.
Yeah, we plan out for you? Okay, you got it? Here we go. Ready? You're gonna do it, you and mama.
what's up? Now what's up? Go down.
I don't know how they go on, so we just do this.
Do that. Oh.
See, get them started.
Brittany put one on the bottom. We only need two because we're probably gonna take them back off a couple times.
Oh, okay.
That one's broken.
How about this one?
And turn it around. Turn it around. Other way. This way. That's a girl. Put it on there. That's a girl.
I need to use it. I want to do this
Okay.
down.
Okay. Go ahead.
I mean, careful.
Okay, be careful.
Good job.
Oh.
Okay. We got it to this part. Okay.
Okay.
Put it on here. You want to do that?
I need my do it.
Okay, go ahead. Other way.
Or
Is it heavy? Is
Yeah.
it tough?
I need my do it.
Okay. Got it.
Good,
Good
job,
job.
Michigan.
Good
Oops.
job.
Here, try to hold it on.
job.
Hold it with one hand and turn with one hand.
Did it.
There we go. Mama's doing it.
You want to try? Here, let's try.
Let's mash.
You want to try? What?
Here's another tire. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Mommy.
What?
Mommy.
What? It's okay, honey. It's alright. Once in your life, you want mommy instead of daddy? Okay, now we gotta put them on there.
Put them on there.
Yeah, are you ready?
Okay, you gotta find the one that fits.
Okay.
Maybe this one?
Oh, give it a try. Oh boy. Gonna do that.
Pretty good.
There you go. You got one. Put it on there. Put it on there, no problem.
Okay.
Good job. Put it on there.
Turn it around. See, this round part's gotta go down.
Go down.
Like that.
Like that.
Here you go. Twist it on there.
There we go.
Twist it on there. Other way. That's a
There we
girl.
go.
Good job.
Okay, nice and tight.
You want to use this?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's mine.
Okay.
Let me help you. There, go. Other way. That's a girl.
Keep going, keep going. Here, my mama got it.
Like this. You want to try? Okay.
There we go.
That's a girl. Ooh.
A little wild.
It's nice and tight.
Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. You want to try this one?
Okay, Brinley, one more, and then we can put it down.
You want to try this one? Try that. That's a girl. Good job.
Licking myself. No.
Okay, okay. Good job.
Keep going.
Is it pretty tight? Did you get it? I think you got it. You got it.
Oh boy.
Do it.
Good job.
Twist. Other way. There it goes. Okay. Should we put one of the caps on? Okay, Brinley. Try not to drop it, okay?
Okay.
You want to pound it on there?
Sure. How do we?
I think you just set it on and use your hand.
On my hand? I'm not very
And just pop it on. Just like that. Okay, Brittany. Test it. Make sure it's tight.
Nice, look. Can you see yourself in there?
Okay, one more. You want to do one more? Okay, here. I'm gonna have to take a picture. Okay, don't drop it, okay? Want Mom to help you?
Ew.
Now put it on there. Don't drop it.
Shiny.
Okay.
Okay, put it on. Spit shining.
It's right here.
Good job, Emily.
Good girl.
Harder. Almost.
Doing really good, honey. Let me try. Get it? That's a girl. Need help?
Whoa, whoa, good catch. Okay. Good job.
It's a tricky one, babe. It's in a bad spot.
Want the hammer?
Oh,
What happened?
Hit it. We'll try.
I don't think it's gonna go. Oh,
Nailed it.
get it? Daddy got it.
Okay, let's take a look.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, look at that. What do you think, Brittany? Pretty cool?